The growth that's happening on Sei token right now is absolutely starting to take off. And because of that, I'm buying more. In this video, we're going to talk about my Sei price predictions. Plus, I'm going to put in a leveraged long play on this video because I really do believe in the project. We have so much to cover in this video. It's been a while since I've done an update on Sei. So I figured we might as well just get into it. We're going to go over my price prediction at the end of the video, so stay towards the end. I did a video about 2 weeks ago, and the Sei Army really came out in a strong way, so I appreciate that. Right now, taking a little bit of a downturn on the day. We're down roughly 7%, but that's mostly because of Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin's taking a little bit of a fall, and we'll talk about that shortly. But Sei right now around 20 cents, right now at 21.5 cents. I think this is a really, really good buying opportunity, right? They always say buy the dip, buy when others are fearful. And because of that, I'm putting in a leverage play and adding to my Sei bag because I do think this project, when the bull market happens, has the juice to really go a long, long way. So you can see just a month ago, we were less than $1 billion market cap, right? If we change over here to the price, we were in the 16, 17 cents, and I was DCAing here in this area just because I'm a long-term investor in this project. So whenever I see dips, I continuously add to projects that I feel super strongly about. So we can see right now the total market cap is $1.15 billion. And this price action over the last day does not scare me at all. If anything, like I was mentioning, this is really just another good buying opportunity. And we're going to talk more about Sei price at the end of this video. So stay towards the end. If you're getting any value out of this, hit the like button, comment down below. Where is Sei going this cycle? I read all the comments. I'm part of the Sei army. I'm putting my money where my mouth is. All right, Bitcoin. This is the daily chart. And yesterday afternoon, we were up, we touched $107,000. And right now, we just are dipping right around 102, 103, 104. And that's because the Dow futures are falling because our US credit rating was downgraded, right? And if you were in the Discord, we were talking about this last week. I called this. I said, hey guys, I would brace for a red Monday morning in the stock market, which will hurt stocks and crypto alike. I called this out several days ago, right? When Bitcoin was hitting $107,000, I was saying in the Discord, like, hey guys, the Moody's credit rating that I posted earlier, it's going to hurt the stock market in a significant way. And right now, the stock market and Bitcoin, it is correlated. So guys, if you're looking for a free community, we have nothing to sell you, completely free. If you want to join like-minded folks, Discord link is going to be down below. Okay, so we said on the day, it's kind of tough, right? This is the sea of red. This is crypto bubbles on the daily, and it is a little rough out there. But if you have conviction in strong plays like I do, I think this is a no-brainer to buy Sei. And here's why I say that. These two charts that I'm going to show you, this is the proof is in the pudding, right? So there were 150,000 unique users on Sei when the price was $1. So let's just go back and look at that. When we take a yearly price, I guess we got to hit the max. When we were at $1, right? $1. This was in the mini alt season of spring of last year, right? February, March 2024, we kind of had that mini altcoin run. Sei hit over $1, right? And we're saying when it did hit $1, there was 150,000 unique users. Now there's over 20 million. So just think about that. Over 10x. I guess it's actually over 100x more users, right? Because 150, 1.5 million, and then 15 million. So there are, just let that sink in. There's over 100 times more users on the Sei network now, right? When the price is 21 cents, there's 100 times more users and the price is a fraction, right? So in a lot of way, we're saying we're just waiting for the price to catch up to the infrastructure. The other gnarly thing is back in last March of last year, there was over 200,000 daily transactions. Now there's over 5 million daily transactions. Okay. So over 25x the amount of transactions. But again, the price has not caught up, right? Not at all. So I really do think if you have belief in this project like I do, and we're going to go over my price prediction here in just a second, this is the time truly to double down and add to your bag. The other interesting thing is I did like this Sei analysis, kind of price analysis, right? So over the weekend, we had a little bit of a breakout in price, and we're saying our next targets, as long as we can hold above 20 cents, which we have right now, right? We're at 21.5 cents. Rose here is saying that if we can hold above 20.7 cents, the first target would be 32 cents, and the second target would be 39 cents. That's roughly a 2x from where we're at right now. So if Bitcoin is going to rally back up, which I do think Bitcoin's going to put in new all-time highs this cycle, if it rallies back up, we could snap up to 40 cents before you know it. The other thing that I think Sei has going for it is that the total value locked, and I want you to think of the total value locked is kind of the overall health of the chain. It's skyrocketed. It's over 500 million. At what point this hit close to 550 million. And just for context, I think this is really important. In March, April of 2024, that's when we had this mini altcoin season where Sei was over $1. When that happened, that time period, there was roughly $40 million in total value locked on the network. 40 million, that's it, okay? Now we have over 500 million, excuse me. So we went from roughly 20, 30, 40 million in TVL about a little over a year ago. And now we have over 500 million, right? So over a 10x in TVL, and that's because people have faith in the system. So if we look at the chart here, I'm going to put this full screen. So again, this is SEI, and we're looking at the Bollinger Bands, and typically the price respects these Bollinger Bands, right? So when we had this big run up from 17, 18, 19 cents all the way up to 26 cents, it stayed within the Bollinger Bands, right? So because we're at the bottom part of this Bollinger Bands, I am going to put a leveraged play in, right? So what we do, the way that we do this is we come here. I'm going to hit open. I'm not going to put a 20x in. I think I'm going to put a 10x leveraged in. So I would come here. I would hit confirm. And then we want to make sure this is on USDT. So I'm going to put a $500 play in, and because it's $500 and it's 10x, right? We're doing 10x leverage here. I'll zoom in so you guys can see this because I know it's kind of a lot. 10x leverage, right? And I'm putting a $500 USDT in. I'm putting up $50, right? I'm putting up $50 to put in this long play. So I'm going to put this in here. And the interesting thing is, boom, it's going to say this will cost me roughly $50 to put this tray in, right? $50 to put it in. So I'm going to confirm this, and boom, my leverage play is in. You can see here, I used roughly $50. I had a 10x play in. So because of that, the whole trade is worth roughly $500. So I like this too because it kind of shows where I'm at. And then the other thing that I like to do is I like to hit add for my take profit, take loss, stop loss. And what I'm going to do here is I'll zoom in here a little bit. I like to do stop loss, and I like to do 2%. Actually, I'm going to go pretty high. So no, I'll do 3%. So if I were to lose $16, this would automatically close it. And the reason that I like to put these stop losses in, and again, BTCC is great because it shows where the price would have to go for my stop loss to get hit, right? And the other thing is you can actually drag this to change your stop loss, right? So boom, I changed my stop loss there. So really, really easy to use. And again, it's right. I did a 10x leverage. So if the price were to fall 10%, I would get liquidated. But again, I'm using a small portion of my bag to do this. Really clean visual. So again, you can see this is where I got in. This is my stop loss. So again, Only do this if you want to leverage trade it. You need to know the risks of it. But if you're interested, my BTCC link is going to be down below. You can get 10% bonus on first-time deposits, no VPN, no KYC. Honestly, that's why I use it. I don't want to give them my personal information. This is an account that I like to take leverage plays on. You can earn a ton of extra bonuses. I've actually already earned a bunch, which is great. They are a partner of the channel, so if you use them, it helps me out. Okay, guys, we're going to go into my price prediction. This is my SEI price prediction, and I really think it's important to realize that this price is really cognizant on how Bitcoin does, right? If we just zoom out here, if you think Bitcoin is going to be putting in $120,000, $130,000, $140,000, I really do think it is the time to put in your plays in on conviction plays, things that you think are going to do well, right? Especially now that we're getting a little bit of pullback, this could be a good buying opportunity. So let's just get right into it. What is my bear price prediction? My bear price prediction, and this is if things just don't go well, we don't gain traction, Bitcoin does not put in a new all-time high. If we were to see that, I think we'd hit 60 cents, which is roughly a $3 billion market cap, or, a little less than a 3x from here, maybe even a little bit less than that because there's going to be some dilution. But that's my bear case, right? 60 cents, roughly a 3x. What about my base case? So my base case is we get a $10 billion market cap, which is roughly a $2 say. So that would be roughly a 10x from here, right? So that's my base case. I'm going into every bag that I buy thinking, okay, there's no reason that Sei can't hit a $10 billion market cap. And some people might be thinking like, Doc, there's no way that's going to happen. How do we get there? Well, Bitcoin dominance is still really high. It's almost at 64%. And remember how we were talking about that mini altcoin season that happened in 2024, right? Remember when we were saying when Sei was at $1? Well, the Bitcoin dominance at that time was in the low 50s, right? We were here in the low 50s. Well, right now we're all the way up to 60. So if Bitcoin dominance falls, that means money moves from Bitcoin to alts, and things can rip in a big way, right? Things can take off in a big way. So because of that, that's why my base case is $2 or $10 billion market cap. Now, before we go into my bull and my ultra bull case, there are caveats with this, right? Bitcoin, for us to see a bull and an ultra bull case, Bitcoin needs to put in new all-time highs in a very durable way, right? In a very durable way. So I just want you to know that that is a condition that needs to be hit. Now, obviously, I am packing my bags with the assumption that we will hit this. And I'm going to show you a cool little chart that I made back in the day. And I love it, right? It shows how Bitcoin has these explosive moves up, that's the green lines, and then has a sideways chop action. Explosive moves up, sideways chop action. I made this chart months ago, and guess what? It's following it super closely. So if we get another explosive move up, I would not be surprised if we saw $130,000, $140,000 Bitcoin. And if we see $140,000 Bitcoin and Bitcoin dominance drops like we say it's going to, this is how we're going to reach these bull and ultra bull cases for Sei. So, okay, enough waiting. Where do I think my bull case for SEI is this cycle? I think we can hit a $30 billion market cap, and that would be roughly a $6 Sei. I say roughly because about half of the circulating supply is out right now. Again, I'm not too worried about the circulating supply because these tokens are vested over years. So there is a little bit of inflation, but it's pretty insignificant in the long term of things, long scheme of things. So a $6 Sei, $30 billion market cap, that's roughly a 25x from here, 25 to 30x from here. And honestly, that would be phenomenal. That would be life-changing money in a lot of ways, right? I always like to think to myself, if I'm putting $100 in and that turns into $3,000, that's huge. Or if I'm putting $1,000 in and that turns into $30,000, that's huge, right? Okay, so let's go to my ultra bull case. And again, all of the conditions, we need Bitcoin to be hitting new all-time highs, Bitcoin dominance to fall, all the things. Where are we at when we hit there? Let's come here. It would be a $9 Sei or a $50 billion market cap. And honestly, I don't think that's that far-fetched when we come to Sei. So right, we were looking at Sei. You guys know that I love comparing a lot of these to Polkadot. And if we look up Dot, I'm not trying to hate on Dot, right? This isn't a bashing Dot video. But if we look at their market cap, they hit a $54 billion market cap last cycle. I just think Sei has so much more going for it, right? So if anything, I'm being kind of conservative. I'm saying, hey, if we hit a $50 billion market cap, that would be a $9 Sei, roughly a 50x. Now, obviously, with price predictions, I'm not a financial advisor, right? I don't have a crystal ball. I can't give you financial advice, but what I can do is I can show you plays that I'm putting in. I can show you long positions that I'm putting in because I have conviction in this space, right? So that's my thought on Sei. I think we have a lot of bullish narratives coming up, right? And once we get in altcoin season, it's just a matter of time. I read all the comments down below. Let me know, where do you think SEI is going this cycle? And if you got any value out of this, hit the like button, subscribe. It's totally free. And I'll see you guys on my next video.